In this video, we'll be going over the marketing page, specifically leads, promotions, and coupons. We'll start with leads because this is pretty quick. A lead is a customer who came to your menu, they created an account, but for whatever reason, they did not check out. Now you can enable the abandoned cart emails on your settings page, and this will automatically email these people, but we give you this list in case you wanted to reach out to them personally. Next is our promotions page. There are three main types of promotions. We'll start with a flat reward. And I like to first set my condition type. So for example, subtotal, and a condition amount of 100. So if they meet the condition that their subtotal is $100, then we'll give them free delivery. Or since it's a flat reward, we can give them $5 off. The same method applies to percent rewards, and we could change this condition type to something else, like the number of items in their order. So if they have 10 items in their cart, you'll give them 5% off or free delivery. Next, you could also set up a point system or a loyalty cash back system. You could set this to something like 2%, and you can name the points like my store name points. Then you could set a max point limit and a point limit per order. And of course, you could always check out the little question marks next to each field in case you ever have any questions about what it means. And finally, we'll move on to the coupons page. Here, it's very simple and it has great functionality for just about anything you could think of. So we'll enter a new one here. We'll just call this Spring 10. And we'll make this be a percentage discount for 10% off. It'll be a one-time order, or it can only be used for one order. And we'll make it that it can only be used on their first order, one or the other or both. And I can also set a minimum amount that they need to spend at least $50, and then I can just click add. I can always enable or deactivate a coupon if I want to save it for another time. And of course, you could delete it as well.